He got his head completely submerged into the water. What? He caught himself a little fish. He caught himself actually a decent sized fish. I hear that. You better eat that junk. You better eat it before all your little family members come and take possession of that. Wow. Good job. Pick up that fish and get it out of the water. That's right. Now it's going to get back into the water. Come on now. What? Good job getting a fish. Good job. Uh-oh. Here comes the bully. That's the bully right there, the white and gray. Oh, boy. He is a bully indeed. He's trying to come after somebody else's catch. Better back up. That is not your fish. Not your fish. Not your fish. What? Bunch of bullies up in here. Where's the fish though? What happened to the fish? Where's your fish? Come on now. Don't let nobody else take it. You better grab that fish. You better grab that fish. Go, boy. You the one who took the fish. Come on now.
Talking to them?